Do you want to make some money on your phone? If the answer is yes, then watch this video till the end for some great information on how you can do that. So money and our daily needs are always clashing because for some reason it just doesn't seem to be enough. That's why having some extra cash always comes in handy, because little or a lot of money will still help you out in one way or the other, which brings us to today's video. Well, the information I will share is thoroughly based on research. This app that I'm going to share with you gives you different tasks on a daily, which come with different incentives depending on the tasks that you choose. Now, before you can be allowed to take their tasks, you will have to pass what they call qualifiers. But not to worry, they are not complicated at all. In most of them, you will only be required maybe to match the logo to the company provided. And I took time to try and show you what you expect using my phone. And in this particular one, they only asked me if the logo that's there matches with the company that they have put up. Pretty easy, I must say. Okay, so you can see all you have to do is just keep answering, and when your answer is correct, they'll keep telling you it's correct. You move on to the next until you finish the whole series of questions that they have provided or asked you. Now, this is just for illustration purposes, so I won't finish answering all the questions. Let's go back to their dashboard and just see how much they offer for their tasks, so that we just have ideas of what really goes on this app. So as you can see, these are some of their offers. Now let me make mention something here about this app. The phone version doesn't have much. It's different when you decide to operate it from your computer. On the computer, there is more options and more pay than the phone version. Now let's discuss their threshold. Okay, their threshold, in my opinion, is a little bit high, especially for people in African and Asian countries. But overall, I think it's a great app. Okay, they have a threshold of $10. Okay, you have to do tasks reach up to $10 before you can withdraw. It's okay for countries that are already developed, like European countries and the USA. That's not really a big deal, but for people and countries that are in Asian and African continent, it's quite tricky. But overall, it's a great app. I would recommend that you go on and try it for yourself. And so the name of this app, before I even forget, is called Hive Micro. It's available worldwide. You can go ahead and download it. And the only thing I don't like about this app, as earlier mentioned, is their threshold. I feel it's a little bit high for African countries and Asian countries. So if they can only reduce the threshold maybe to $1, that can really be good for Africans and Asians. Apart from that, I would rate it 4, because they've got tons and tons of tasks for you to do on a daily. You can never go there and find that there's no available work. On a daily, you have different tasks to do, you have different work to do on a daily, and that's what I love about this app. And as a pay our tradition, if you liked this video and if you found it very useful, make sure to leave a comment in the comment section about how it will work for you after you've tried it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit the notification bell, so that the next time I upload something, you will be the first one to be alerted. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.